Hi, my name is Natasha. I am a girl. I am 7 years old. I go in Sunny Hills Primary School. I am in grade 1. I like to sing and collecting stuff. I like to eat pizza. My favorite color is pink.
What is her favorite color?
Pink.
What is her name?
Natasha.
What grade is she in?
1.
What is her favorite food?
Pizza.
In what school did she study?
Primary school.
What is the name of the primary school?
Primary school.
Yeah, I know. What? Let me see. Where did she study?
Sunny Hills
Mm.
School.
Very
Primary
good.
school.